Hello everyone, welcome you all to my third video session. Myself Sandeep K, faculty of Chandrakant Patil Public School, Kalburgi, and I am from Mathematics Department. So let us start our today's video presentation. In the previous video session, we have learnt the comparison of the numbers, the successor, the predecessor, and forming the numbers greatest and smallest, and we also learnt ascending and descending order. So based on those topics, I gave you worksheet in the previous video. So let us see the solutions for the worksheet 2. Now you can see the first question. Compare the following numbers and place greater or lesser in the blanks. First question I gave 82,761. We have to compare with 84,510. Now we all know we have to compare each digits with its place value. When I compare 82,000 and 84,000, 84,000 is greater. The second question 65,284 and 69,983. So you have to go on checking comparison of the digits. So when you compare the digits, so 65,000 is less and 69,000 is more. So 69,983 is greater. And the next number 3,71,415 you have to compare with 3,70,657. Now you can see in this question lakh position both are same, 10,000 position both are same, but they are differing at 1,000 place. Here at 1,000 place 1 is there and here at 1,000 place 0 is there. So automatically 3,71,415 is greater than 3,70,657. And the last question 8,23,414 and here 8,23,417. When I go on comparing, you can see the number are changing at unit place. In the first number, unit place is 4 and in the second number, unit place is 7. So automatically 7 is greater than 4. So 8,23,417 is greater than 8,23,414. Coming on to second question, write the successor of the following. As I already gave the definition, the successor is just after the given number, or you have to add 1 to its unit place. You have to add one number to the given unit place. So we'll get the next number. Now here we can see the example 72,086. Solution. The successor of 72,086, that is, we have to add 1 to the given number. So the answer is 72,087. You have to add one number to its unit place. So we'll get the next number. B question 13,475. So here also same, we have to add 1 to its unit place to get the succeeding number. It will become 13,476. C question 4,99,360. So same here also, we have to add 1 to its unit place. So we'll get the next number. So it will become 4,99,361. And last question 8,14,999. So we have to add 1 to its given place or the same number and we'll get 8,15,000. The next concept is predecessor. The predecessor is nothing but the before number of the given number, or you have to just make -1 at the unit place. Now the third question, write the predecessor of the following. First question is 82,761. The predecessor of 82,761, that is, we have to make minus 1 at unit place. It will become 82,760. B question 94,510. We have to make minus 1 at the unit place. So it will become 94,509. C question 5,83,497. Here also same, we have to make minus 1 at the unit place. It will become 5,83,496. And the last question 7,95,299. We have to make minus 1, so that we will get the before number. We have to make minus 1 at unit place. It will become 7,95,298. The next topic is ascending order. We have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. Now you can see the first question. 3,435, 7,533, 2,411 and 4,623. Here I have taken 4-digit number systems. This we have to arrange from smaller to bigger. Now let us see the answer. First comes 2,411 is the smallest, then 3,435, then 4,623, then last comes the biggest number 7,533. Now here I have taken less than symbol so that it will be easily identified you are arranging from smaller to bigger. So here I have taken the lesser symbols. You can see that is when I compare 2,411 and 3,435, so 2,000 is less than 3,435. So when I compare 3,435 with 4,623, 3,435 is lesser than 4,623. So when I compare 4,623 with 7,533, so 4,623 is lesser than 7,533. So I have inserted less than symbols while arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger. The next question 50,060, 50,500, 55,000 and 50,006. Here I have taken 5-digit number system. Here also you have to arrange from smaller to bigger by ascending order, smaller to bigger. So the first comes 50,006, then comes 50,060, then comes 50,500, and at last the bigger number is 55,000. Here also I have inserted less than symbols when I am comparing from left to right. The next concept is descending order. Here we have to arrange the number system from bigger to smaller. So the fifth question is in that A 57,093, 52,169, 54,917 and last 58,791. Here I have taken 5-digit number systems. So solution by descending order, that is you have to arrange from bigger to smaller. The first bigger number is 58,791. Next comes 57,093. Next comes 54,917 and at last 52,169. So here also I am taking the greater symbol. So it is just comparing the numbers. 58,000 is greater than 57,000, 57,000 is greater than 54,000 and 54,000 is greater than 52,000. And the next question 6,71,045, 5,83,714, 8,79,163, 4,72,819. Here I have taken 6-digit number system. This also we have to arrange in descending order, that is bigger to smaller. Here the biggest number first is 8,79,163. 163. Then comes 6,71,045. Then 5,83,714. Then at last 4,72,819. And the last question of the worksheet 2, sixth question. Form the greatest and the smallest number system using the following 5 digits without repeating. Now here the question comes with repeating and without repeating also. But I have taken the example for without repeating. You have to arrange the given digits in greatest number and smallest number. So I have taken the digits 5, 0, 3, 8, 7. So the greatest 5 digit number is, you have to arrange from bigger to smaller. When I arrange from bigger number to the smaller number, I will get the answer for greatest number. So I will get 87,530. Similar way, the smallest 5 digit number is, while I am writing the smallest number, arrange the given digits from smaller to bigger. When I arrange this, I will get 30,578. So here the important note is, while arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger, 0 will not come first while forming the number system. So instead of that, I have to take the next lesser number first. So I have taken 3 as first and 0 at next number. So it will become 30,578 is the smallest 5 digit number. Hope it is clear all the solutions for the worksheet of video 2. Now coming on to the video 3 presentation. So here are some rules for the comparison of numbers. Already I explained the concept of comparison of numbers. I gave example also, but here are some rules. The first rule is, if two numbers have different number of digits, then the number with more number of digits is greater of the two. Now as you can see in this example, here 5,87,054 is there, and the next number to that is 64,139. As you can see, when I am comparing, automatically 5,87,054 is greater, because here I have got 6 digits, but in 64,139 I have got only 5 digits. So when I compare with the two number system, the number of digits which are more, automatically that is the bigger number. The second rule, you can see, if the number of digits is same in the two given numbers, then compare the digits at the leftmost place. The number with the greater digit at that place will be greater. Now in the second example, I have taken both side 5 digit number system, 45,750 and 32,350. So automatically you can see here 45,000 is greater than 32,000. Here it is changing at 1000 place. At 10,000 place it is 4, but in the next number at 10,000 place it is 3. So automatically 4,000 is greater than 3,000. Now the third rule is, if the digit at the leftmost place is also same, then observe the next digit. The number with the greater digit at that place will be greater. Repeat the process unless you get different digits at the same place. Now let us take the example, 34,692 and 32,692. Here both side I have taken 5 digit number system. You can observe here at 10,000 place both side is 3 and 3. But it is differing in 1000 place. In the first number at 1000 place 4 is there, but in second number 1000 place 2 is there. So automatically 34,692 is greater. That is, you have to go on comparing from left to right each digits. So automatically which digit will be more, that number system will be more. The next topic is estimation. The definition is as rounding up of the given value to its nearest highest place is called estimation. The example are taken 76. In the given number system 76, the highest place is tens position and in tens position 7 is there. So round off the number to its nearest tens. So you'll get 76 will come in between 70 and 80 and 76 is nearer to 80. So the answer is 80. Or you can see if the next number of the highest place is more than 5. So when I see next number is 6, 6 is more than 5 in the number system 76. So automatically we have to round off to the next number. So the answer will be 80. The next example for estimation, I have taken 3-digit number system, that is 645. In the given number system 645, the highest place is hundreds position and in hundreds position 6 is there. So round off the number to the nearest hundreds. So for the answer is 600 is the answer. So because the 645 will come in between 600 and 700. So 645 is nearer to 600. Or you can see if the next number of the highest place is less than 5. Now you can see here when I am taking 4, 4 is less than 5 and automatically we have to go back. So the answer is 600. Hope you all enjoyed today's session. Based on the topic presentation, I gave you worksheet. The first question is based on identifying the biggest and the smallest number in the given number systems. And the second question is based on comparison of the numbers. The third question is based on the concept of estimation. So here you have to estimate to the highest place and you have to preserve them and get back when you are coming to school. Thank you for all the viewers and learners. Hope you enjoyed today's session. Have a great day.